video is going to help you make a solution of specified molarity. In chemistry laboratories all over, certain concentrations of solutions are needed, so this is something that is done all the time. You're going to be making a solution for me in class as a formative. The first thing that you want to do is to determine the amount of solute needed in grams. In our problem, we're going to have to determine how much sodium hydroxide. Now what I want to do is go into my problem and start pulling out some of the information. So I got a volume, and I got a molarity. The big M is not a unit. That big M stands for moles per liter, and it's per 1 liter. Okay? I am likely to use in these problems a molar mass as well. So for sodium hydroxide, the molar mass is 40.00. Now I'm ready to start doing my dimensional analysis. The first thing I want to do is to just make sure I've got grams of sodium hydroxide up on top. So I go up and I look at my choices. There, you'll find that there's only one. And so I'm going to use this one as my first fraction. So 40 grams of sodium hydroxide per mole. Okay. Now, my moles of sodium hydroxide I don't want as my denominator, so I'm going to have to get rid of that. So I'm going to put moles of sodium hydroxide up on top. Then I'm going to start looking for my choices, and I can't use this one. So the only one that has moles in it is this one. So I will use 0.250 moles of sodium hydroxide per liter. Remember, that's per 1 liter. Okay? Now I've used that information. If you'll notice, what I've canceled is the moles of sodium hydroxide, but I picked up a liter on the denominator, so I need to cancel that one out. If I look up, luckily my 500 milliliters, that translates into 0.5000 liters. Okay. If you can't just launch there, you can do a dimensional analysis problem, and 500.0 milliliters. When you want to convert that to liters, you would put milliliters on the bottom, so those could cancel. Liters on the top. There's 1,000 milliliters per liter, and so dividing 500 by 1,000 would give you 0.5000. If you multiply straight across, that number turns out to be 5 grams of sodium hydroxide. The first number has 4 sig figs, then 3 sig figs, and 4 sig figs, so your answer would be in 3 sig figs. What you would do is you'd take that 5 grams, put it in a flask, add some water, not to the mark, just add some water just so you can shake it and get it dissolved. Then you would dilute up to the mark with the water, cap it, shake it, and you have your homogeneous solution. Have a great day.